Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add Stripe to your Lovable website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little bit different. So yeah, before starting, make sure that you already have a Stripe account and a Lovable project ready. This will allow you to accept online payments directly from your Lovable site. So yeah, first you have to make sure that you've already logged into your Lovable and open your website project. So currently I have this project right here, and what you will have to do is click this three dots icon right here and then just go ahead and click settings. And once you're here, you will have to go to the integrations or payment option, and then you will have to click Stripe if it is available on your version. But if it's not, then you have to make sure that you have the full access of the website before proceeding to the next steps. So yeah, once you click the Connect Stripe account, then you will be redirected to your Stripe login page, and then you will log in, then authorize the connection by clicking allow access. And once you are connected, you will see a success message inside Lovable. You can now use Stripe to collect payments through your site's checkout or product pages. And by the way, if your layout looks different, the connection may appear under settings, then integrations, then Stripe like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.